Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into Sydney's most impressive transportation marvel, the Sydney Metro. In this video we will provide you with all the information you need about experiencing a ride in this advanced mode of travel. Today, we will start our journey at Norwest Station and head towards Chatswood. All stations featured a consistent design, particularly the distinctive roof. You can either use the lift or the escalators to go down or up the platforms. The platforms in Norwest are underground and the train travels underground. Don't be surprised if the escalator seems to move slow from the distance. But as you get closer, speeds up to its normal pace. As you approach the entrance gate, you can either pay with your Opal card or using your phone. I am paying with my phone. You can then head to the platform. Each station has only two platforms, one for eastbound and one for westbound travel. Today we are heading to the city, so we will be using platform 1 that heads to Chatswood. The platform signage is excellent, ensuring you won't get lost. There's a protective glass wall with gates that open when the train arrives, allowing passengers to board safely. The Sydney Metro is a relatively new service that began operating in March 2019. Initially, it ran from Tallawong in the northwest of Sydney to Chatswood. This transportation service has quickly become known for its reliability and efficiency. The trains are in immaculate condition, with comfortable side seats and no doors between wagons, providing a smooth and pleasant ride. Unlike buses, metro trains don't experience bumping, shaking, or windy turns, nor do they encounter heavy traffic. However, ticket inspectors can board at any time to check for fare compliance, so it's essential to have a valid ticket to avoid hefty fines. As of August 2024, the Sydney Metro's service has been extended to Bankstown, incorporating important stations like Barangaroo, Martin Place, and Central. It is recognized as the fastest and most reliable transport system in the city, with trains departing every 4 minutes. Some stations on the Sydney Metro are connected to Sydney trains, allowing seamless transfers without needing to pay a separate fee. The Metro offers excellent service and accessibility features for people with disabilities. With a capacity for 1,100 passengers, the Sydney Metro is currently undergoing major expansion to extend its service to key suburbs in Sydney. The Sydney Metro stations connect to existing Sydney train stations, enhancing the network's integration. These include Epping. This station will continue to be a significant interchange point, connecting the Metro North West Line with the Sydney Trains T9 Northern Line. Chatswood, an important hub where the Metro North West Line intersects with Sydney Trains T1 North Shore Line. Sydenham. This station will connect the Metro City and South West Line with the T3 Bankstown Line, enhancing accessibility and convenience for passengers. Central, a major interchange station connecting multiple Sydney Trains lines, including the T1, T2, T3, and T4 lines, with the Metro. Martin Place. This will be a crucial interchange between the Metro and Sydney Trains T4 Eastern Suburbs and Illawarra Line. Barangaroo, interchanging with Wynyard Station, providing connections to the T1 North Shore Line. Bankstown, the Metro City and South West Line will extend to this station, connecting with the T3 Bankstown Line. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about exploring Sydney. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below with your favorite part or any questions you have.